how to make a natural rice toner for your face. For that, boil 3 cups of water, add 1 cup of rice and boil till it cooks. So once rice cooked, take out the remaining water in a bowl and leave it for a 5 to 10 minutes till rice water temperature become normal. Now take a ice tray and once rice water temperature become normal, pour rice water into a ice tray like this. Even you can use this rice water directly. Soak a cotton ball and apply it to your face. Now put this tray into a freezer. You can use daily 1 ice cube as a toner. Here I have a rice water ice cube. This natural skin tone promotes cell growth, stimulates blood flow and helps keep your skin smooth and bright. You can use this toner on a daily basis. Apply on your face as well as neck area and wash after 2 to 5 minutes and get the results. So here I already washed my face and you can see the results. You can use this toner on a daily basis. So here I am applying a face pack of curd, honey and a turmeric powder. Take 1 spoon of curd, half spoon of honey and a pinch of turmeric powder. Mix it well and apply on your face like this. This face pack helps you to make your skin more soft and smooth. And don't forget to apply on your neck area also. You can apply this face pack twice a week. It's just an optional for you. So here you can see the final results. First I apply a homemade toner and then apply a natural face pack which makes my skin more smooth and softer. You can apply this face pack twice a week. So till then, bye bye, see you soon.